These small medical grade polymer earplugs are a necessity for everyone. Don't ever skip on keeping yourself safe. Surefire Sonic Defenders come in 3 sizes, with medium fitting most people. You can choose the filter models, which give you the versatility of caps in or caps out, or the full block models. And they come with soft polymer tips or foam ones. Try a few pairs to see what works for you. Use them for all parts of your life, like mowing the lawn. The roar will take its toll over time. And get clear Sonic Defenders, your neighbors won't even know you're wearing them. See? Be sure to wear them when operating any power tools. They're really comfortable and will protect you from long-term hearing loss. You can even leave the caps out on filter models so that you can communicate between your teammates or co-workers, which is important if it's your trade. Sonic Defenders are ideal for concerts. You'll still hear the music as it was meant to sound, but at a far safer level. They're also perfect for sleeping. With the crazy schedule I keep, I use them for my airline travel, just to cut down on the overall noise and to get some sleep on the plane. Yes, you can always use your fingers, but if you're actually trying to get anything done, you'll need professional grade plugs from Surefire. They'll protect you and they're reusable for months, so wear them daily, stay safe.